Who wants to look beautiful? With glowing, youthful skin. Did you know that most Atomians who've been using it for a long time, they all look 10 years younger? Even the men and grandmothers and grandfathers? Wow. And you know, I am soon to be 38 years old, but don't I look 28 or younger? We have an awesome skincare called the Fame. And this is an upgraded version from the previous 6 sets, which was already amazing, but now they made it more amazing with the new technology. But before I tell you the technology, the first technology is called high purification technology. It will take out toxins, odor, and color, which means we can put 500 times more of the ingredients compared to other products. Second is fresh herb extraction biotechnology. And this, we use a fresher weed. They pick it in the morning and they process it the same day. But unfortunately, other products out there, they use dry herbs, which is not as effective for our skin. Third is a fermentation technology that they will use microbial enzymes to break down the particles of the active ingredients. What it means that it will help us absorb into our skin so much better. And multiple capsulation delivery technology, where it's a nano-sized particle, so it can go into the deepest layer of our skin, but other products that only stay on top of the skin, that's why it's not as effective again. But the Fame added the new technology called the Powerful Oil Moisture System with the argan oil and shea butter that is for faster absorbency, fresher and longer lasting in an ultra-fine particle. And they added a new material called plumping moisture, called panthenol, and it's like Gatorade or coconut water for your face because it will be so hydrating. It will promote new cells and also it's anti-inflammation. Another added material is multi-moisture, and they added 5 types of hyaluronic acid that holds the water up to 6,000 times its weight. Wow, it will definitely improve your elasticity, prevent wrinkles, help with the wrinkles, and smooth your skin. And the last one is a barrier moisture, which is a ceramide, and which will protect your skin barrier, and it will prevent water loss. And our Fame has received a certified excellent rating from Dermatest in Germany, and they usually have very strict standards from safety and irritation tests. Fame has 5 steps, which was this toner, eye cream, essence, lotion, and nourishing cream. And great news, they have the Fame travel set that's coming soon that you will be able to enjoy so much more convenient whenever you travel.